Today I have a block, and these are 5 adults, and there is 5 children. And I just built the block like this. It looks like a castle. And this is the stairs. And if we go up, this is a bedroom. And over here is a toy. And it have a kitchen too. And this is the table for share 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a refrigerator.
I see.
And if people come, and they come and go inside, and they want to eat something, and they just open the refrigerator, and they get something and put out, and they sit on the chair and then eat.
Yeah. That's all?
Yes, thank you for watching.
Okay, bye.